Okay, well, first trip out to the farm this year. We got out anyways. I'm gonna lift up the Dynasty here and give her the old welderoo because we broke her out.
Watch your light. Your headlight. You know, it's very seldom I come out here. I put very seldom 25 on gas in my own car. Come out here and put 25 in this one, pick nothing up. First, just got to get the plug out. It's got a plastic gasket on it, which will all melt as soon as I start welding.
Oh yeah, you really dented that in.
Nice job with the go-kart. Yeah, thanks. Aluminum washer. May have to manipulate that some more. Oh boy, I think it's so distorted that the plug is going to leak. Let's see if it'll even go back in. Like there's just the surface where this seals against is just so wavy. What about just welding a piece of plate over it? Well, you should see how the condition, how mangled this is. It's just to try to shape a plate. I'm here to get my own cars working, and I don't want to spend all day trying to fix someone else's car. And it is going back in. It might need just a big blob of silicone to try to make it reseal again, but the problem is there's where I have to do a weld. It's right on the sealing surface. Man, I might have to just stick the nut back in the hole and weld the nut on too.
Well, I don't think you're going to do an oil today. I know.
I didn't realize how bad it was. This is a job for the tractor, but then you'd have to clean everything out of the barn and bring the tractor in, because I'm gonna have to do so much welding. All this shit's gonna land all over me while you're welding upside down. I got to weld in all weird angles. So I think it's best that we clear the barn out and bring the tractor in the barn first, back it in, and then we'll be able to pick it up and get out of the way of all the blobs and give you a better access.
So it is.
Now we can see the business area.
She's holy.
Oh yeah, she did.
Oh, yeah.
Open my gas bottle like a half stir or 2/3 Oh no, the next problem is there's oil coming out while I'm welding. Good luck.
Let's take a little lower that is. We're working 110, that's nice.
It's the biggest one you can get for 110. That's why I wanted a 110 one for its mobility, so I can use it all different places, and I've even taken out vertical.
Yeah.
Now, Cameron,
Yeah.
if I was doing this all alone, I don't even wear clothes because I have a full tan. I don't get what do you call it? Sunburn or
Those are marks.
I don't get the burn from the welders usually because I'm so well tanned all over.
Part of the benefit of walking around naked.
Yeah. We got to keep stopping and wiping oil.
She's warm.